Hi, in this video I'm going to show you two different ways how you can set a photo as a wallpaper on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then open up the Photos app on your home screen. Next, in the Photos app, you want to go to your albums or library and open up the photo that you would like to use. So here I'm going to choose this photo and then tap on the share button at the bottom. From the pop-up menu here, swipe down and tap on use as wallpaper. Next, in here you can choose live photo on or off. You can choose to have perspective zoom on or off, and then tap on set. Now you can set it on lock screen, home screen, or both. So select one of the options. I'm going to choose both. And then swipe up to go back to your home screen. Now on your lock screen, you can see this is the wallpaper that we have just used. I have turned on perspective zoom. So when you turn on perspective zoom, if you move your phone side to side, you will see your image move slightly. So it's quite hard to see because it doesn't make a lot of big movement, just a tiny bit. You can also touch on the videos or the photo, and it should also show you moving images. So depending if this is a live photos or not. So let's just have a look. So I'm just trying to figure out because it said that you can have live photo on. So if I press and hold, it shows a live photo like that. So set on both. But on my lock screen here, there it is. So you can see if I touch and hold, the photos kind of like move. So that's each live photo. Now another way you can do it is in your settings. So you want to go to your settings, and from settings you tap on wallpaper, then you tap on choose as new wallpaper, and down here go to all photos, recent or live photos, and then in here you just need to select a photo that you want to use, and then tap on set, and then set both, and that's it. So that's how you can use the two different methods to set a photo as a wallpaper on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.